Hey, good morning. It's Bob, Trade Genius, the 8th of September, and I wanted to show you the chart. This is the futures chart on TradingView. It's nice and easy to see, and what I want to point out to you is this. You have these four red candles, and if you notice, every day it's making the highs are not eclipsing the lows of the previous day. This is what distribution looks like. And when you have these four red in a row, it's portending a change in sentiment. And this is relatively bearish, okay? So keep an eye on this. And obviously, we're still considered quote unquote in a bull run because number one, we're over the 100-day moving average. The linear regression channel is positive. We're still making higher highs and higher lows, but this is something to just keep in mind. This price can evaporate in a heartbeat, and I'll show you one in a second. And money's just not flowing into anything other than to cash. So I think people now are starting to strap in here a little bit for the election and for this trade stuff. So we just have to be careful. And then looking here, this is the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ's ready to break down. So, and just keep an eye on this longer term here. So let's call this a shoulder. All right, I know I'm fantasizing here, but I would look to see if this breaks down a little bit more here and then pop up, make another shoulder. This is neckline, not a shoulder, and then watch for it to come down to this 7170 area here. But the NASDAQ's definitely breaking down. The bloom's off the rose, okay? Tesla, Elon Musk is having a meltdown. Social media companies now are coming under more and more scrutiny. Apple now is caught up in the trade stuff, plus their stuff is so damn expensive, plus people don't have any money, plus the market's saturated. I can go on. And so, I don't know where people think this growth is coming from, and it's going to cause an issue here. So this is really a big trouble. But if you notice also too is here's oil. Okay, oil's starting to break down too. It had a 4-day drop too, and with the emerging markets in trouble, these people can't import oil. Like watch India. India's going to be in big trouble here if they can't get their balance of payments lined up, and it's going to cause people to. It's going to just destroy demand for energy, and we can watch the price of oil here just plummet, and that will cause issues in the U.S. too because a lot of money's tied up in the infrastructure of the U.S. energy renaissance. So keep that in mind. And then here's the last chart I want to show you. Here's gold. Gold is trying like heck to form a bottom here. So I made a low here, and I look at here with the money flow is you have a higher low here and you have a higher low here. Now I'd like to see this thing break 1220 to start coming up. I started dipping my toe back in the water with the miners. I just bought GDX, and I also bought uranium here. So there's definitely a secular move here in nuclear. China is desperate to figure out their energy plus clean energy. Their country is they're going to pollute themselves out of existence, and they're making a big hard push into nuclear. And so this little candle here today was interesting to me, and that's where we bought. And might be early for a day or two, but it looked like a good place to me to jump in. And it's definitely been pretty washed out. So I have a stop. I'll take the quick loss if I have to, but I think uranium is something to keep an eye on, and something that once this train starts and they invest billions and billions of dollars into these nuclear facilities, they have to buy the uranium, and this should support uranium prices. So I bought URA because I'm not really quite sure who's going to be the winner, and I just basically took out company risk with it. So anyway, it's kind of where my head is right now. And just day trading, the day trading has gone extremely well, and you have a day to still get the software. Is Day Trading Money Machine. You can get our special number 1, get the signals. Special number 2, get crypto and the crypto money machine. Special number 4, get the stock trading and also the futures day trading money machine. We just had a marvelous day again on Friday as well, and I'd love for you to get it. You still have till Sunday night to take advantage of some really good prices. Thanks for listening, and I'll be back with a bunch more videos later in the weekend. Bye bye.